Oh, here we go.
It's tough. I'm honest. I'm always honest.
Yep.
And if I'll always even bring it up. Be like, hey, was Chad able or
ask the question so that Instagram hears it?
Oh, so the objection. No, I want to put it on the market.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll bring it up if they don't. I'm like, hey, so this is what I do. Do you understand what I do? Hey, have you looked at listing it? A lot of times you are going to get more money if you list it.
Yep.
And I'll be up front. Have you, do you know anything about that? And they'll say, well, I think I do want to put it on the market, but it's merely just getting an idea of why.
Yeah.
And a lot of times it is because they're going to get more money. And so I just want to make sure that they understand the differences, the pros and cons of both. Doing it cash as is, putting it on the market, you're going to list it, you're going to get with a real estate agent, you're going to have to fix some things up, you're going to have to pay that closing and that commission fee, so it's just putting, apples to oranges together and making sure that they get it. And sometimes if they're really intent on putting it on the market, then that's just one you kind of have to cut aside.
Blake, let me give you the filter. If it's in good shape, they should put it on the market. Yeah. If it's in rough shape, they're going to get the same amount from a cash as is offer than they will from putting it on the market typically. So one, you got to understand, what is the condition of the property? If you say, what remodeling have you done to the kitchen and bathrooms? And they're like, oh, I've got this beautiful Italian quartz on the countertops, and I just did new bamboo cabinets mixed with maple. They made a maple bamboo baby, and they made cabinet. No, I don't know. Maple. But anyway, well, whatever. And it's got the new black stainless steel appliances, and it's all great. Put it on the market. Great. If they're like, I've rented it since 1972. I haven't done anything to it, but I'm going to just throw it on the market. Okay, great. Well, if I can get you the same amount that you would make putting it on the market, would you consider an offer from me?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Or who have you talked to? What real estate agent are you going to work with? Oh, I haven't decided that yet. Okay, then the door's cracked a little bit. We've got a cracked door, and you're like, okay, so they're not down that line that far. What's going on with the timeline? What is their true motivation?
Timeline.
Right? Yeah.
How fast are you really wanting to sell your property? And
right.
Then, it's 30 to 45 days to close.
Yep.
Is time of the essence for you, and we can close that gap.
Yep.
And if they really are going to put it on the market, we partner with real estate agents here, and you do referrals.
Yep.
And you're not going to get a huge payoff as far as that goes, but you get a little something and you build that kind of network.
Yep.
If you like that video, hit that subscribe button. We come out with new videos every single day. And if you want your questions answered, like you and I, one-on-one, make sure that you join us for the live show every single Wednesday. I will see you there.